Discord microphone not working for voice call or chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and on the search bar just search for Discord application. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device. So now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. I'm going to tap on open, but before that, let's go to the settings of the device and then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and here you can search for this application on the search bar or just scroll down to the app list and find Discord application on your device. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen, so just tap on that, then tap on clear cache, tap on OK, then go to app permissions and make sure that you give access to all the options available such as camera, contacts, files and media, and microphone. After that, you can also go to the Discord customer support so that it could help you solve your issue regarding your microphone not working. After that, you can also tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart your device. So this might definitely help you in solving your issue regarding the microphone not working for the voice call or chat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.